Mga kanos, welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan, and for today's episode 33, mga must-try and new drinks by Chaithentic. Chaithentic promises to give you a taste of unforgettable Thai grab, on-the-go drinks, and Thai desserts experience the authentic way. They're also located at Lopez, Jaro, Iloilo City, beside VMG store. They're open Monday to Saturday, starting 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. and closed on Sunday. They're also available for Food Panda app delivery starting Monday to Sunday, 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. And very soon they'll open new branches here in Iloilo City. For full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Chaithentic. And disclaimer lang po, is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga kanos! So I have here new drinks by Chaithentic. So these are all small size with pearls. Very excited kasi ka-launch lang ng new product sila at exclusive siya sa taste test vlog ko. So let's start mga kanos. First drink is their Thai pink milk with pearls for small size, 79 pesos. I was advised na mas improved or upgraded version ito for their Thai pink milks. Amoy niya palang sobrang bango, tapos very similar siya sa ice crumble. Sobrang sarap talaga. Tama yung sinasabi nila na mas masarap na version to. Nandun pa rin yung ice crumble feel, pero mas lalo siyang na-improve kasi naging creamy siya. At the same time, very proportion yung sugar level niya. Tapos yung outstanding taste ng Thai essence nila, very present sa drink na to. Yung signature nila na pearls na very chewy and very easy to eat. For our next drink is their new product, their Blue Potion with pearls for small size, 79 pesos. Parang lighter version siya. Di siya super sweet. Tapos yung Thai tea essence, nandun siya, very present for this drink. The next drink and new product is their Thai Dark Choco with pearls for small size, 79 pesos. Ito ang galing kasi nafe-feel ko yung dark choco or cocoa for this drink. Hindi siya super sweet. It has a right balance of their overall ingredients. Okay, for rating mga nos, for Thai pink milk, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Blue Potion, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Thai Dark Choco, I'll give this a perfect 10. Chaithentic newest drinks, sobrang na-amaze ako at na-excite ako. Itong dalawang drink na to, pwede ko isuggest for kids. It's very colorful at eye-appealing siyang products. At very similar siya sa ice crumble flavor and perfect combination and balance for their Thai ingredients for their milk tea. And pure ng Thai dark choco nila. Tapos yung overall ingredients niya, sobrang sarap. And also si Blue Potion nila, sobrang na-excite ako kasi yung color niya palang is my favorite color, blue. Hindi siya yung sobrang tamis. This drink is a lighter version. Pero ito, sakto yung overall balance sa kanyang flavor. Doon pa rin yung signature or trademark ng Chaithentic for their pearls na very chewy and very easy to eat. And thank you so much sa owner ng Chaithentic, sa staff, sa rider, sa pag-invite sa akin sa launch ng new products nyo for my vlog episode, Drinking Nose. And by the way mga nos, marami pa silang drinks na i-launch very soon. So watch out sa kanilang Facebook page and mga social media accounts. So Chaithentic maintains their good service, good quality of products, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and are certified Drinking Nose standards approved. So once again, thank you Chaithentic and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Bryan saying, keep safe and bye!